Okay, now let me show you how to install for one person inhalation. First, you take the T tube to plug it into the 3 holes. The another T-shaped tube plug in another 3 holes. Like this. T, and then you plug into it. The 3 holes. Then you use a V-shaped tube to join of the 2 T-shaped tube. Then you get the rubber tube that is connecting this part to join to the blue cup. When you join, just make sure that you are putting in the That means the hydrogen and oxygen flow into the cup and out to your inhaler. Go out. And that's where you use the right way to use it for your inhalation of hydrogen. Same thing if those of you who has the ear plug or goggle or any cup for any part, you also do the same thing here. For this is like 1 or 2 meters. They have 10 meters long. So you can inhale at the same time do your work. Unnecessarily, you can relax there. Thank you.